अमेरिका ने पाकिस्तान और भारत के दरमियान जंग में मुदाखलत ना करने का फैसला कर लिया है। नायब सदर जेडी वेंस ने अमेरिकी मीडिया को इंटरव्यू देते हुए वाजे किया कि जंग रोकना अमेरिका का काम नहीं, कशीदगी में कमी के लिए सिफारतकारी का रास्ता इख्तियार कर सकते हैं। नायब सदर ने एटमी ताकतों के दरमियान जंग के संगीन नताइज से भी खबरदार कर दिया।
We're concerned about any time nuclear powers collide and have a major conflict. What we've said, what Secretary Rubio said, and certainly the President has said, is we want this thing to de-escalate as quickly as possible. We can't control these countries, though. Fundamentally, India has its gripes with Pakistan. Pakistan has responded to India. What we can do is try to encourage these folks to de-escalate a little bit, but we're not going to get involved in the middle of war that's fundamentally none of our business. America can't tell the Indians to lay down their arms. We can't tell the Pakistanis to lay down their arms. And so we're going to continue to pursue this thing through diplomatic channels. Our hope and our expectation is that this is not going to spiral into a broader regional war or, God forbid, a nuclear conflict. But sure, we're worried about these things. If it happened, of course, it would be disastrous. Right now, we don't think that's going to happen.